we're going to make potato chips. Now when you have the oil hot, take the slicer, slice it. Fry this till they are nice crunchy. This garlic chili powder will give a very nice taste for the chips. When you get the crunch, when you have the great bite, keep saying Vareva. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef. And today we're going to make potato chips. A lot of people have been writing to me, you left the way, you used to make the educational videos, because a lot of people not interested in the science, they just want to cook. So I can show the recipes. But here, for making potato chips, even when I was a kid, my mom used to make potato chips regularly, especially on some days when we have sambar rice and all that. These potato chips used to be awesome. So for making chips potatoes, you're going to use starchy potatoes. The potatoes of that family are called russet potatoes. And usually when you see these potatoes, the skin of these potatoes are very rough in nature. The normal potatoes, what we use in our cooking, they are waxy potatoes. So look at the difference between these two potatoes. One is the rough potatoes, other one is the shiny potatoes. And other thing is, these waxy potatoes are good for making curries. I'm going to peel these potatoes. And another thing is, these potatoes are white in color. So now I'm going to show you these russet potatoes. When you peel them, they are not, the waxy potatoes are slightly yellow, whereas the waxy potatoes are nice white in color, and also when you fry the chips, they come out perfect. You peel the potatoes and then you put it in the water, and whenever you are ready to fry, just directly on the oil you can slice them and fry. Or else the another method you can do is, you can slice these potatoes and put in cold water, and then you can fry it in the hot oil. So any more questions, please write down. I will try and address in my next video and that. Now these are there. Now I can make these potato chips. They'll come white, nice, shiny color, and they will become nice and crispy. Another thing you got to notice is, whenever you have these potatoes, whether waxy potatoes or any potatoes, you kind of get green color. So that is the reason, you need to keep these potatoes in a dark area. But when sunlight or the light hits the potatoes, they get this green color, which is called solanine. And this is not good for your health. Sometimes people get fever, diarrhea, constipation, and some other people get headache and all that, body cramps and all that. So this green, if you get it, throw the potato and use the potatoes which are nice in color. For frying, use oil which has got high smoking point. Of course, frying anything will take a lot of oil, and here, I can fry probably 10 kg of potatoes in this oil. Now when you have the oil hot, take the slicer and slice it. These potatoes, they go into the oil and they will start frying. With one big slice potato, you will get around 60 chips. Some people like very thin kind of potato chips. Some people like medium thickness. So you choose whatever size you want. If you have the slicer, you can always adjust the thing. And also they salt these chips by just adding a little bit of taking salt and add water. After the potatoes are almost fried, then you sprinkle some of the salt water in this. In the hot oil, you can sprinkle some of this water, and these potato chips will come out nice and salty. The first chips what I added were very thin, so they are getting that color. But look at this, other ones, very nice, even. Fry this till they are nice and crunchy. Now look at the potato chips, whatever we fried, they got that nice slight golden in color, and this is when they'll be nice and crispy. Look at them, they're already making that gulgle noise. Look at them. The only problem with the potato chips is you can't stop eating them. Once you make them, you'll go crazy for them. But the flavoring the chips is another art. I'm going to show you at least 6 flavors of potato chips. When you're doing this at home, you'll have trouble. What I did is, I cut these slices already, and then you can add into the hot oil like individual pieces. So make sure that they are separated. Only then you will get these chips separate. Otherwise, they will get attached. So drop from a little bit higher, and then you will have the nice crispy and crunchy potato chips. I prefer my chips to have slight golden color. These are all ready. Look at these chips. We're going to remove them, and then we're going to flavor them with nice spices. We have these fantastic chips ready. All you need to do is flavor them. I've made 6 flavors. I'm going to show you how we're going to flavor them. The first variety is the plain salted chips, and while frying I sprinkle a little bit of salt water into this, and they are nice and crunchy. The awesome color and little bit of brown here and there. The second variety is the plain chili. So this is my favorite. When I was a kid, this is what I used to enjoy it. These chips will be excellent. These are done. So the second variety of hot chili is ready. So here's the second variety. The third variety is also one of my favorite. We actually, in a lot of vegetarian curry preparations, we use this chili. So what I did is, I took garlic, I kind of chopped it, and in the oil, I kind of fried it till they are nice and crispy. After that, in a blender with some chili powder. So this garlic chili powder will give a very nice taste for the chips. You know, when you fry it and remove it hot, that's when these will stick well. So no big deal. This garlic and this chili is good. These are regular chili. This is definitely superior in all the 3, and especially with the rasam, with sambar anam, the curd rice especially. The next variety are mint flavored. Again, we're going to take some chips. Here is the mint. What I did, I took the mint leaf, I put it to dry. Even what you can do is, put the oven at a very lowest temperature, switch it off. After that, spread the leaves on a tray, and then you can be able to do fine powder. Just onto the chips, not too much, because this is very potent flavor. This is my awesome mint flavored chips. Look at them. They are nice, little bit green and fine. When I buy in the market, I don't like this mint flavored chips much, but at home, when you do, the flavor is just awesome. With this nice crunchy bite, these chips are outstanding. The curry leaf chips. This is also again my favorite. So just dry the curry leaves and add a little bit of cumin seed, roasted cumin seeds, and made a powder out of it. The another lot, here the powder of curry leaves. These ones are strongly flavored. The curry leaf chips, each one have a very nice, extremely good flavor. My next flavor is sweet spice. So for the sweet spice, what I did, I took fennel, I took cardamom, I took cinnamon. All of them are sweet flavor. In fact, I added a little bit of powdered sugar in this. So this will be extremely good. You have to try this flavor. Look at them. They will stick well to the chips. Toss them. Sugar. In most of the potato chips, flavor chips, there will be a small amount of sugar. That is why those chips taste extremely good. My good God. This is just amazing. I've got the bonus. I thought 6, but we're going to make 7. And the rest of the potato chips here. The favorite Indian chaat masala. A little bit of chaat masala chips. Yes, some people love this kind of flavor too. And maybe I'll add a little extra. Some pepper powder and rock salt. This one will also give nice the chatpat flavor. So that should be good enough. Toss them. Very nice strong flavor. Excellent. Dear friends, today we have learned how to make perfect, super perfect chips at home. All you need to do is get the right potatoes and process them right so you get them perfect. Making the flavored potatoes is not at all difficult. You can make them. All I want you to do is, if you are thankful about it, share these videos on WhatsApp, social media, and share it with your family and friends. Wow. The chili garlic. The curry leaf. The mint. The sweet spice. Wow. Sweet spice is good. The pepper. My favorite. Plain wafers. All of this you can make at home. Keep cooking. Enjoy great food and keep saying Waraba.